We have over 350 online marketing directories across South Africa, targeting provinces, towns, regions, and routes. Listing your business on these directories is just a click away. The cost to subscribe covers a 12-month membership with no hidden costs or monthly subscriptions. Your business will be listed on up to 10 different marketing directories. A listing includes a direct link to your website, email addresses, and social media, as well as a location map and up to 20 photos of your business, including your logo. Your listing is totally personalized to reflect your brand and business. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for exciting travel information on South Africa. Contact us for more information.